Hello everyone, this is John with Cazoomi. So in this video, I'll show you how Webhook works here in SyncApps using the feature name need to update Salesforce when subscribers update their profiles in Mailchimp. So basically, this feature would really benefit you to update your record in Salesforce from Mailchimp in real time without waiting for the sync scheduling you have specified in step 5 of the setup. So just to highlight again that this only works if the record was synced or cached via SyncApps from your Salesforce to Mailchimp. If utilizing Salesforce Nonprofit Success Pack with Mailchimp, this works as well. So let's take a look. So in my screen here, I have a setup name, Webbook Testing. So in step 2, this is where you can find the feature name need to update Salesforce when subscriber update their profiles in Mailchimp. So by the way, the main audience that I have specified here is NYCJXY General Department. So all of the data that I have from my Salesforce will be synced over to this main audience that I have specified here in step 2. So if using segmentation like campaigns, list views in Salesforce, or even checkboxes, this works as well. So if I scroll down here again, I have already enabled the feature need to update Salesforce when subscribers update their profiles in Mailchimp. So then you can have two options to choose from, either to update Salesforce if Mailchimp account admin updates subscriber profiles. So basically, if you manually update the record in Mailchimp or the profile, any custom fields or pre-map fields will be updated back to Salesforce automatically. So if custom fields, make sure that you have to map them in step 3 field mapping. But for the pre-map fields like email address, first name, last name, no need to map them as SyncApps would automatically catch those and update it back to Salesforce from Mailchimp. And the second one would be update Salesforce on any new subscription if the email address already exists in Salesforce. So let's say, for example, you're sending out campaigns, then you have 3 subscriptions to choose from, and these subscriptions is tied automatically in your MailChimp to update them. So subscription A, B, and C. So if they unsubscribe from the first one subscription, which is A, then they decided to resubscribe on subscription B. Then what it does is that SyncApps would automatically catch that update from that specific record from your Mailchimp, and without running the sync again, it will then update it back to Salesforce. So let's take a look sample record here in my Salesforce. So in my Salesforce here, I have a contact named Chris Benoit and with the email address benoit.chris@cazoomi.com. So I have a fields here, title, department, and birth date. So you can see that the title has a technical department support B, and the department field has a technical department P. And the birth date, it has a November 10, 1900. So let's take a look it on my MailChimp. By the way, prior to this recording, I have already run the sync. So let's take a look at the result in my MailChimp. So from here, you can see that the main audience for Chris Benoit has successfully synced or pulled NYC-JXY General Department. And you can see as well that the field name department, technical department B, has been updated here as well, and the title has been pulled as well here, including the birth date. So now, if I update this one, the profile of this record, benoit.chris@cazoomi.com, if I update the department to technical department C, and the title would be technical support C. So if I save this one, what will happen is that without running again the sync or waiting for the sync scheduling, it will then automatically update it back to Salesforce. So in my Salesforce, you can see that the title is still Technical Support B and the department is Technical Department B. So if I refresh this one, it will then have the result to update the fields that I have updated in my MailChimp. So let's take a look this one. So this will wrap up now, and let's take a look the result to the fields that I have updated in my MailChimp. So let's take a look in the details so we can then see that the fields that I have updated in my MailChimp has been updated to Salesforce without running the sync. So the title has become Technical Support C, and the department has been updated to Technical Department C. That's it. Again, this is John with Kazumi. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.